Can't find WhatsApp channels on your phone? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add and follow WhatsApp channels in just a few simple steps. So, let's get started. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store on your device and search for WhatsApp. If you see an update button, tap on it and make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp, because channels may not appear on older versions. Once WhatsApp is updated, open the app and tap on the Updates tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see suggested channels and trending content that you can follow. To find more channels, tap on Explore More. Now, use the search bar at the top and type the name of the channel you're looking for. WhatsApp will show related channels based on your search. Simply tap the follow button next to the channel you want to join, and that's it. The channel will be added to your Updates tab. I hope this video helped you. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.